Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating easy external causes. Restart the modem and router, wait 30 seconds, then power them back on. While that reboots, confirm your ISP plan shows the upload Mbps you pay for, because what you expect matters. Next, plug a laptop into the router with Ethernet to test raw upload speed. If wired upload is fine, the issue is Wi-Fi specific. If wired is slow, call your ISP and note times and test logs. Once you know the problem is wireless, update the router firmware and enable CoS to prioritize upstream traffic from critical devices. Then, test both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands. Use 5 GHz for higher throughput close to the router and 2.4 for better range because physical distance matters. Also run a channel scan with a phone app or PC. Then change channel and channel width to avoid neighbors' interference. To finish, move the router to a central, elevated spot. Reduce metal and thick walls between device and router, and angle antennas thoughtfully to cover clients. Small moves improve upload more than you expect. If hardware is over 5 years old, try a loaner or new router, because obsolete radios limit upstream performance. If upload remains poor, keep a record of wired versus wireless tests with timestamps and speeds. Then contact your ISP and share those logs to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.